Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and pairing. Get the basics done now. Make sure the Beat Solo 4 has at least 30% charge, then press and hold the power button for 1 to 2 seconds to turn them on. Once on, enable Bluetooth on your phone or laptop and keep it near the headset. This saves time when you open the Beats app or device settings because pairing needs an active connection. Next, you'll enter the app and confirm the device appears. Now you enable noise cancelling and tune it. Open the Beats app if available. If not, go to your device Bluetooth settings and select Solo 4. In the app, tap the noise control section and choose active noise cancellation. This blocks ambient sound so you can focus. Once ANC is on, adjust the ANC intensity or EQ to balance clarity and bass. Do a quick listening test with voice or music. Make sure single-ear monitoring or transparency is set to your preference for calls. Finish by verifying performance and knowing a quick fix. You should test with music and then place a call to confirm mic and ANC behavior. Listen for hiss or imbalance and tweak EQ if needed. If ANC is unresponsive, turn the Solo 4 off, wait 10 seconds, then power on and repair with your device. If that fails, reset the headset by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds. This clears pairing info and often restores ANC function. Then repair and reconfigure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.